Hi. Vegan Bankery is on the air again. It's Bella Tail. She's helping us. And we continue to talk about money. We continue to talk about currency. And actually, we're talking about modern digital currency. It's the video 2 about Bitcoin. Just to summarize, Bitcoin is a digital virtual currency, which is decentralized, which is not backed by any government, and which is coming into life thanks to the computer power. So the question is here how you can get Bitcoin. The easiest way is just to buy. There is the exchange rate, which is fluctuating daily. And as of today, 1 Bitcoin is a value of $6,749.40. Maybe different tomorrow. Or it's a very known way just to mine. What does it mean to mine? Using the open code to solve the puzzle and to discover the blockchain. The blockchain will be released into the system and the miner is going to get the fee. In 2009, the fee was 50 coins for the block. Then 4 years later, it was a half of it, 25, and now it's 12.5. And it will be reduced by 2020 again. And the difficulty is going up of this puzzle. If 2009 it was 1, then by the end of 2009 it was 1.18, and by the end of the 2017 it was already over 4 billion. So actually to solve this puzzle, the miner needs almost the huge production plant. So some miners are coming together into the pools. There are known 4 pools, 3 of that are located in China. The number of bitcoins to be mined is limited. It was set up by the founder of the system, and probably somewhere by 2140, its maximum amount of 21 million is going to be reached. And as of the end of the first quarter this year, the number of bitcoins released in the system was almost 17 million. So actually 80% of the total amount is already mined. There are a couple of other ways to get Bitcoin. For example, you can get paid, you can sell your goods for the Bitcoin. You just need to put the sign, Bitcoin is accepted here, and also tap the Bitcoin payment apps, payment systems. Also it's possible online. Some merchants are accepting Bitcoin online with the special payment software. Another obvious way to get it just to work for them. There are some jobs, especially if the person is self-employed. There are several sites and the job boards where the job are offered to be paid in Bitcoin. Or you can lend out Bitcoin. You can do it on the amount of your friends or acquaintance. You just give the money, you just give Bitcoin for the interest to be paid someone who you know. Or there is also the platform facilitating peer-to-peer lending, putting the borrowers and the lenders together. Or it's also possible to place a deposit in the online Bitcoin bank and to get the interest of the deposit. But definitely the research and proper due diligence is required before the money is going away. And there's also option just to play in casino or the lottery for Bitcoin. Maybe there are also other ways how possible to get Bitcoin. And next time we'll talk about the risks associated with the Bitcoin and investment and payment of Bitcoin. And we'll also talk about the blockchain technology and how it may be changing the shape of the economy and industries. See you in 2 weeks.